Hey, it's Matt with Magee Farms. I'm in our barn right now, and see a little four-wheeler here that's kind of taken apart a little bit. This is my niece's Isabelle's. This one I got for her a little while back. It's a little Yamaha Badger that got it just to see what she would do with it, and she's really taken to it. She loves riding this thing. So yeah, it kind of looks like a mess right now, but I was going through cleaning out the carburetor on it for her, and while I got the plastic off, I was going to do a little modification to it. She has this one, the boys. Brett's got this one that has lights on it. My nephew Ezra has this little Polaris that has lights on it. But Isabelle ended up with an older one. Is one I just bought cheap like a while back, and then of course everybody wanted one. But this doesn't have lights on it. So I've got a light that I picked up from Harbor Freight that we're going to mount on it, and we're going to wire it up. It's a little pod light that I've got here. So we're going to show you how we do it. So one of the first things I was trying to figure out is exactly where to mount it. I thought about putting it, the air cleaner has a cover that sits here. I thought about maybe putting it there, but the more I got looking at it and trying to figure out, I'm thinking I can put it maybe just down here a little bit, have the bolt go into the air cleaner box, and it should work pretty good if I do that. And actually looking at it, I don't think I'm going to need, except for maybe wiring, I really don't need this off anymore. Yeah, I think to wire it, I think I'm going to leave it off just a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna set the bracket up and have it mounted right here, so when she's riding, at least she's got a little bit of light, because it's going to start getting dark at 4 o'clock in the afternoon pretty soon, and if the boys are able to ride, we want her to be able to. So I'm going to get my drill out and start setting this up. All right, I went ahead and put the plastic on because there was really no reason to leave it off. I've got this, the bracket kind of put together on it, and this is probably the easiest one that I've ever done with these little pod lights. I'll give that to Harbor Freight. It was very easy to get the bracket on. A lot of times they're really a pain in the rear to get. So I've got this here. I've drilled a small hole right there. So it's going to it's going to come through here, and I'm going to tighten it up real quick and then start adjusting it, and then we're going to do the wiring. I've got it mounted on there now, and I just have to do the wiring. So it has a plug. It came with a plug. It goes to 2 wires. I bought just a simple little rocker switch at Walmart, and I'll have the plug go into this, and then I'm just going to wire it straight to the battery. I was debating about wiring it to the ignition, but I really don't want to cut into that wiring harness, so it's not going to be that hard to do it to the battery. So we're just going to do that, and then I'll get my Dremel out and just kind of cut a little hole in the plastic, probably about right here, just to mount that. So wiring's the next step. So far we've got the light mounted, and I've got the wiring pretty much done here, and I did just a very, very simple wiring. I don't know how well you can see it. We're in the barn right now, but basically just took some wire that I had laying around, crimped some ends on them that I'm going to hook into the battery. I have them snaked through. I've got some zip ties that I'm going to kind of zip tie them in to get them out of the way, so when the kids are riding they don't, knock them loose. But I took my Dremel, I mounted the switch right here. Now this is going to be constantly live, so this is one that we always want to make sure she turns off when she's done riding, or the battery's going to be dead. But wiring is going straight into that, and then for the other side, it came with a plug, and so again I have that going to a positive and a negative wire. And the same thing, I've just got some ends crimped that I'm going to hook into the switch here. I've got to crimp an end onto this one real quick. And then I'm just going to run it, get some zip ties, and basically zip tie it to the frame. So it should be pretty simple. I'm going to finish this up now, hook it up, and I'll show you the end result. Alright, so I've got the wires kind of going everywhere, but I've got it hooked up. So the moment of truth, I just plugged everything in, and we have lights. So, I mean, that's the easy way to do it. I mean, it's kind of the garage mechanic, backyard mechanic, redneck mechanic, whatever you call it, kind of way to do it. I was going to originally work into the ignition a little bit, but when I kind of got looking at it, it was going to be a good little bit of a job trying to tie into that. So I'm like, you know, this is an older bike. It's going to be just as easy to do it this way. So I figured I'd just do it this way. We're going to tie everything up, get it look kind of pretty, and then I'll show you the end result. All right, so I brought it in the garage here. It's still kind of daylight, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I got all the wiring done. At least this way, kind of get a little idea of what it's going to do. Get the garage shut, the lights off, and turn it on here. You can kind of see it's not a whole lot of light, and I'm going to have to aim it, but you know, it's bright enough for an 11-year-old driving around that, you know, she can kind of see where she's going if she's trail riding with the rest of us. Like I said, probably going to need to adjust it, maybe aim it up a little more, but kind of see my garage I'm cleaning right now, but it puts out a good little bit of light. So hopefully when she comes up here in the next couple of weeks and we do a trail ride, maybe we'll do a nighttime one and let her see what she thinks. It's Matt from Magee Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.